So we're going to start out with the as-built plan. Um, what we've got here is what you see. Now, I didn't draw in the cabinets of the bathroom, but you can see for the configuration, the borrower was kind of indecisive. This was determined to be, at first she said it was a single family home, but then I found out that it actually was a two flat, with the upper two floors being one residence and the basement being a legal apartment. There were two of the electric meters, two gas meters, and I could tell by the neighborhood it actually was. So her first request is she wanted 8 bedrooms in the building, which I thought was kind of strange. And then she wanted to put another bedroom in this area here. Now it becomes difficult to work with borrowers, okay, when they're really indecisive, they don't understand what's going on, and there was a lot of spaces and a lot of clutter in this building. Likewise, the second floor. She kept talking about 4 bedrooms when in reality, the way this was laid out is we had rooms here that were conjoined for whatever reason, very small. And this main room here was connected to this back room. So essentially, she didn't really have 4 bedrooms. She had 3 bedrooms, if you even wanted to call this a bedroom. And it had a single bath. So it made it rather difficult. But she had a lot of people living with her, and we had to come up with a plan. So after further review, she decided that she was going to, instead of making this a giant single family, she was in fact going to make it 2 units. Okay, and what we had down here is this is what you see, and this center masonry here. This was actually was structural. Okay, and what it was is it was going all the way to this level. It was supporting the floor above. Okay, because this house had been seen many remodels, and I'm sure that there were walls in some of these areas because that's traditionally how they were built. Okay, so we're back in the basement. So she had 1 bedroom here, had absolutely no windows. The utility room was a hodgepodge. She had a bathroom and some storage area, and she had a bedroom and a living room. So she wanted to, at the end of the day, she wanted to get 3 bedrooms out of this. Okay, so but that's so yeah, she wanted to get 3 bedrooms out of this, and that was going to be difficult to say the least. So just so we can get an overall look at things here, um, let's see what we got. All right, so here's what we have. This is the way you can see. This is the way it lays out right now. Okay, there's your kitchen, your bathroom, whatnot. That's the second floor. You can see that strange room leading to another room, and then you have the lower floor, which has bedroom, not really conducive to family living. You had no windows here, and the buildings themselves are, 3 feet apart. So it makes it rather difficult. So that's going to be our starting spot, and we'll follow up with the next video will be what we actually created.